Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to trade xauusd and how to make money by trading gold. As you can see here we have 3 push highs, so we can open a sell trade. And to determine the point of entry we use symmetrical nodes. After that we have one flag at 114% of the previous low, so we can open a line trade, and to determine the target of this trade we can use 86 to 92% of the previous leg. Moreover, we can open a sell trade there. In the end, for starting your education, you can send me a message on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Good luck.